Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a test run on a few things that I need to figure out before I can be back into doing videos. So we're at Rite Aid because Rite Aid is super easy, and I just love Rite Aid. I also have bonus cash expiring. So with the bonus cash expiring, and I need to test a few things out, check out some of the stores in my area, I thought, why not do a small video? So we're going to be working with two different accounts. I'm mainly going to be working with the spend 30 get 10. We do have a $5 off of 25 coupon that is working because I've already done some transactions with it today, and it is working. So I'll put that up right here so you can take a screenshot of it and use it if you don't already have it. But yeah, we also have some really great Ibotta rebates to pair in with that spend 30 get 10, so I'm actually pretty excited. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to be starting off with is the Olay body wash. This week they're buy one get one 50% off, and they are included in the P&G promotion that is spend 30 get back $10 in bonus cash. So included this week are the Olay body washes that have the moisture ribbons in them. They're priced at $8.49 a piece. So two of them will be $8.49, and one of them will ring up at $4.24. The three of them will cost $21.22. We have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that we can use on this. That will make them $16.22. But then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back $2 on each one of them. So we're not at the $30 mark yet, so I am going to grab something that's going to put me quite a bit over the $30 mark, but I promise it's going to be good. So we're going to grab two of the Charmin. The 6 roll is $8.99, so that's going to be $17.98 for two of them, and there is a $1 digital coupon that you can clip. So for everything, the Olay and the Charmin, the total will be $39.20. We're going to use that 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Olay and the $1 digital for the Charmin. I also have that 5 off of 25 Rite Aid coupon, so that's going to take off $11. So my total will be $28.20. I'm going to get back $10 in bonus cash for spending $30 in P&G products. I'm also going to hit a bonus cash challenge for the Charmin, so I'll get back another $9 there. And this is my third consecutive visit for spending $15 or more. So for that, I'll also get back another $10 on bonus cash challenge. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each one of the Olays, and that's going to make everything in the basket free in the $6.80 moneymaker. So since I was $9 past the $30 mark, I only need to spend $20 to get, or $21 to get the deal again and get back $10 in bonus cash. So I'm going to grab a Tide liquid and a Tide pod at $12.99 a piece. Then we're going to use a $3 load to card coupon for the pods and a $3 load to card coupon for the Tide liquid, and that 5 off of 25 coupon. That's going to make the total $14.98. I'll get back $10, making them both just $4.98. We're going to do this deal again on a separate account though. We're going to do the Olay body washes again, just because I can do this on another Ibotta account and get back another $6. So these are the same price at this store. They're $8.49, so it'll be $21.22 for the 3 body washes. And then I am going to grab some toothpaste this time because I do have a Crest bonus cash challenge. So this Crest 3D White Brilliance is on sale for $6.99. And we have a $3 load to card coupon, and then this 2-pack is also $6.99, and we have a $2 load to card coupon. So these will be $13.98. We have a $3 load to card coupon for the Crest 3D White Brilliance and a $2 load to card coupon for the Crest Pro Health. That'll make the total $8.98. But then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back $2 for the Crest 3D White Brilliance and $1 for the 2-pack of the Crest Pro Health, making them both $5.98. But of course, we're going to pair that in with the Olay body wash. So the total for the Olay body wash and the Crest is going to equal out to $35.20. We have the 5 off 3 digital for the Olay, the $3 digital for the Crest, and the $2 digital for the Crest, and the 5 off of 25. So that'll make our total $20.20. We'll get back $10 for the bonus cash, and then we'll get back $6 on Ibotta for the Olay, $2 on Ibotta for the Crest 3D White Brilliance, and $1 for the Crest Pro Health, making all 5 products just $1.20. And then we are going to do in a separate transaction, we're going to repeat the Tide again, and that is going to be $4.98 after everything is all said and done. So let's go out to the car now and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we're back in from Rite Aid, and I did the spend 30, get back 10 twice on one account, and then I did it twice on another account. So I have 4 receipts, but it's basically just maxing out the P&G deal on both accounts is basically what I did. I didn't really get into the other deals, but there's lots of new monthly deals. Check out Real Deals. She always does the monthly deals every month. Very extensive research, and she always has like a list linked in her Instagram. So very, very helpful there. So on the first transaction, I got the Charmin, 2 Charmin, and then I got 3 Olay. I'll show you my I can show you my receipt here, but I also grabbed 3 boxes of Whoppers, so that kind of offset things, so you won't see the exact numbers. But anyways, with this transaction, my 5 off of 3 load to card coupon come off totally fine for the Olay, and then my $1 load to card coupon for the Charmin come off, and then I had that 5 off of 25 coupon work totally fine. So I used that coupon 4 times today and had no issues whatsoever. So anyways, that brought my total down to $28.20. I got back $10 in bonus cash, and then I'll get back $10 for the visit tracker for the bonus cash challenge. This would be my 3rd trip, and so when I had 3 trips here, I get back $10, and then I'll get the bonus cash challenge for the Charmin. That's another $9 back. So then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $6 for the Olay, making this transaction by itself free and a $6.80 moneymaker, which is great. So then I was tracking for $9.20 towards the next spend 30, get 10. So my first transaction, I spent $39.20. So then I only need to spend $30 for the next one, but I already spent $9.20 of it. So then I just got 2 Tide, a liquid and a pods, and my digitals for that did not come off. So I'm going to speak to customer service about that. I wait until the next day, and then I do a chat. It's very, very easy, and they're always really, really good about it. So my digitals did not come off for that, but my 5 off 25 did come off. They were clipped. So that, you know, of course I had to pay $6 more for that, but I'm sure that they'll give me $6 in bonus cash for that issue. So we're just going to count it as that they did come off. I'll give you the correct math for them. And then I got more Tide on my other account, but that time I used printables instead of taking a chance for the digitals not coming off. So anyways, the 2 Tide, and so that 5 off 25 come off, and then those $3 digitals should have come off, and that would have made my total $14.98, and then getting back $10 more in bonus cash would have made those two $4.98. So having a $6.80 moneymaker for the Olay and the Charmin, plus $4.98 for the Tide, that makes everything together free and a $1.82 moneymaker. But I also got points back. So I had 692 points between the 2 transactions. So then converting that, so when you get points,
Once you get so many points, you can convert them over to bonus cash. Now, I know Jody and Erica, they wait until they hit the 1,000 point mark, and then they just add $2 into their total or off of their total. But I like to convert the points as I get them because I was getting confused doing it that way. So then I just take 692 times 0.002. That equals out to $1.38. So I got an additional $1.38 back in points between the two transactions, and that makes everything free and a $3.20 moneymaker, which is incredible. And no money left my pocket. No money left my pocket. I don't have as much bonus cash on there right now, and that's okay. That's okay, because I'm getting a good amount back for my bonus cash challenges. Now, after my first transaction, I did get back a 15 off of 75 coupon here. I would love to use this, and I can wait until I do have all month to use this, because even though it says it expires the 8th, these will scan until the very last day of the month. So I'm hoping we get a booster soon, and then I can use that. So then we switched accounts and we just did the spend 30, get 10 again. We maxed it out, so that means we did it twice. On this transaction, the first one, I just did the Olay again because I do have 2 Ibotta accounts. So I can submit one receipt to one Ibotta and the other receipt to another Ibotta, and I don't have to wait for it to reset. So I got 3 more Olay body washes. I got a Crest Pro Health dual pack or double pack. And then I also got the Crest 3D White Brilliance. So with this transaction, I had that 5 off 3 load to card coupon for the Olay, and then the $3 load to card coupon for the Crest 3D White Brilliance. Now the $2 load to card coupon, it did not come off, and I did look at the coupon. It doesn't say that it excludes twin packs, so I don't know why it didn't come off. So my total for that transaction is $20.20. I did get back $10 in bonus cash, and then I got back $9 on Ibotta. So I got back $6 for the Olay, $2 for the Crest 3D White Brilliance, and $1 for the Crest Pro Health. So that makes that transaction just $1.20, which I think is a great deal. Plus I got some points, but I'll do the points after I do the Tide here. So then I was at a different store and I did the Tide. I grabbed a liquids and a pod, or a liquid and a pods, and I used printable coupons this time because I didn't want to take a chance. So I had my $3 printables come off totally fine, and then the 5 off of 25 came off. So then again, it's $14.98, and I did get back $10 in bonus cash for that, making it $4.98 for both of them. So my total for that transaction was the $4.98, plus my other transaction was $1.20. So for maxing out that deal, my total was $6.18. But I got back 612 points, which equals out to $1.22. So it was $4.96 for 2 things of Tide, 3 things of Olay, and then 3 tubes of Crest toothpaste. But then my other transaction was free and a $3.20 moneymaker. So everything that I got today, so 4 things of Tide, 2 things of Charmin, 6 things of Olay, and 3 things of Crest was $1.76. $1.76. Would that be amazing if it was a moneymaker? Yes, but I'll take $1.76, and I'll take not spending any money out of my own pocket as well, not even tax, because bonus cash counts or covers tax. And I got an 11 off of 55, and I got a $3 off CeraVe product. So I'm really happy with how everything went. And I didn't really have to put in much planning. I'm still getting settled, so even though being super busy, I was able to run around and do these deals today. And so yeah, that is my test run and the new location at the new Rite Aids that I am couponing at. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.